Every single day, inside a factory you have never heard of, workers deliberately destroy millions of dollars worth of perfectly good metal. Not by accident, not as waste, on purpose, with industrial machines the size of houses, because this destruction is the only way your country's coins can ever exist. Before a single rupee, dollar, or pound ever leaves a mint, an industrial factory must first ruin enormous sheets of pristine metal. What you are about to see is the hidden, brutal, and oddly hypnotic process behind every coin in your pocket. It starts not with a coin, but with a coil. Massive rolls of metal, usually an alloy of copper, zinc, nickel, or steel, arrive at a coin blank manufacturing facility rolled up like enormous metallic carpets, each one weighing several tons. These coils are fed into industrial rolling mills, machines that squeeze the metal down to an exact, precise thickness. We're talking tolerances of less than half a millimeter. If the metal sheet is even slightly too thick or too thin, the entire coil is rejected, because the weight of a coin is not just a number, it is a security feature. A counterfeit coin that weighs wrong will be caught by every vending machine, every self-checkout, every automated toll booth on the planet. In the next 30 seconds, you will discover why the most violent part of coin making does not involve metal at all. Once the metal strip is perfectly calibrated, it feeds into the most dramatic machine in the entire process, the blanking press. This is a mechanical punch that strikes down at speeds of up to 600 times per minute. 600 punches every single minute. Each punch stamps out a perfect metal disc from the flat metal sheet below. And what's left behind is something that looks like an enormous metallic Swiss cheese, a long skeletal web of scrap metal, riddled with perfectly round holes. This scrap web, called the riddlings, represents somewhere between 20 and 30% of all the metal that entered the machine. Gone, punched out, apparently destroyed. For a country minting billions of coins a year, that is an almost incomprehensible amount of wasted metal. Or is it? What happens next will completely change how you think about the word waste. The skeletal scrap web does not go to landfill. It does not leave the building. It is fed immediately back into giant industrial furnaces that burn at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. The metal skeleton dissolves into a roaring, glowing river of alloy and is recast into brand new metal coils, ready to be rolled, flattened, and punched all over again. This is the loop that never ends. The same atoms of metal may pass through this cycle dozens of times before they finally become a coin that leaves the mint. Nothing is truly destroyed. It is just violently transformed again and again until it is finally ready. But the blanks that survive the punch, their journey is only just beginning. A freshly punched coin blank is rough, sharp-edged, and absolutely unusable. It must go through a process called annealing, where the blanks are heated in a controlled furnace and then rapidly cooled. This softens the metal at a molecular level, making it malleable enough to accept the extreme pressure of the coin press without cracking. After annealing, the blanks are tumbled through giant rotating barrels filled with soapy water and small metal balls, a process called burnishing. Then comes upsetting, a machine that rolls each blank between two angled surfaces, raising a tiny rim around the edge. This raised rim does two things. It protects the design from wear, and it helps the coin stack perfectly in automated counting machines. Only now, after all of this, is the blank ready to be called a planchet. A planchet is a coin blank that has passed every single quality check and is now ready to receive its design. The coin press is the final machine, and it is staggering. Each planchet is placed between two engraved steel dies, one for heads, one for tails, and the press strikes them simultaneously with a force of between 50 and 150 tons. In less than 1/10 of 1 second, the metal flows into every microscopic groove of the die, capturing details so fine you need a magnifying glass to see them. The coin that drops out of the press is complete. Every ridge, every portrait, every number stamped in a single violent moment. And the machine does this hundreds of times per minute, every minute for hours. A single modern mint can produce over 10 million coins in a single working day. 10 million individual acts of controlled destruction and resurrection, all to put a few coins in your wallet. So, the next time you drop a coin into a vending machine without thinking about it, remember what it went through. It was punched out of a massive metal sheet at 600 times per minute. Its skeleton was melted down and reborn. It was heated, tumbled, rimmed, and finally struck with 100 tons of force. The money in your pocket is not just currency. It's the survivor of an industrial gauntlet that destroyed millions of its siblings just to make it possible. Comment below. If you found a coin from the year you were born right now, would you spend it or keep it?